Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of cybersecurity. Today, we're delving into a critical topic: session hijacking. You might be wondering, what is session hijacking, and why is it so dangerous? Well, stick around because we're about to break it down for you. Session hijacking is a form of cyber attack where a malicious actor takes control of a user's session on a website or application. But why is it so dangerous? Let's find out. Imagine you're logging into your bank account. You enter your username and password and are granted access. Behind the scenes, your browser and the server are communicating to maintain your session. This communication is often done through a session ID, a unique identifier that verifies your identity during the session. Now, here's where the danger lies. A hacker intercepts this session ID, either through techniques like packet sniffing, cross-site scripting, or man-in-the-middle attacks. Once the hacker has your session ID, they can effectively hijack your session. They can impersonate you, accessing your account and performing actions as if they were you. This could include transferring funds, changing passwords, or even stealing sensitive information. Think of it like someone stealing the keys to your house. Once they have them, they can enter your home and do whatever they want, without you even knowing. But it's not just about individual accounts. Session hijacking can have far-reaching consequences, especially for businesses. For businesses, session hijacking can lead to data breaches, financial loss, and damage to their reputation. Imagine if a hacker gains access to an employee's session within a corporate network. They could potentially access sensitive company information, compromise systems, or even launch further attacks from within. Now, you might be thinking, can't encryption protect us from session hijacking? Encryption certainly helps make it harder for hackers to intercept and decipher communication. However, it's not foolproof. Skilled attackers can still find ways to bypass encryption, especially if the targeted system has vulnerabilities. So, what can we do to protect ourselves and our businesses from session hijacking? Firstly, using HTTPS instead of HTTP ensures that communication between your browser and the server is encrypted. This makes it much harder for attackers to intercept sensitive information like session IDs. Secondly, implementing strong authentication methods, such as multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an extra layer of security. Even if a hacker manages to steal a session ID, they'll still need additional verification to access the account. Thirdly, regularly updating software and systems helps patch vulnerabilities that attackers might exploit for session hijacking. And finally, educating users about the dangers of session hijacking and how to recognize potential threats can go a long way in preventing successful attacks. In conclusion, session hijacking is dangerous because it allows attackers to gain unauthorized access to accounts, leading to financial loss, data breaches, and reputational damage. However, by implementing proper security measures and staying vigilant, we can reduce the risk of falling victim to these attacks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips and tricks. Stay safe out there.